Let's make this strawberry avocado spinach salad with a creamy poppy seed dressing. The dressing is so simple, it's just mayonnaise, milk, sugar, cider vinegar, and poppy seeds. Mix these ingredients together, then set it aside and we can assemble our salad. To a large bowl, add your spinach, strawberries, avocados, feta cheese, and sliced almonds. Gently toss these salad ingredients together and then you're going to pour that dressing over the top. Give it a light toss once again and you are ready to devour this salad. Garnish it with a few more almonds and a little bit of feta cheese and it's ready to serve and everyone will love it.